Are certain areas of the stock market starting to become a little bit overvalued? Well, let's look at some data. Let's talk about that. The main thing I want to look at are 5 different indexes or areas of the market, US and international. And then I want to look at their PE ratio right now and then the historical average. If you don't know what a PE ratio is, it's right here. It's just the price to earnings ratio. You take the price and divide it by the earnings per share. It just gives you a gauge as an investor. Are we overvalued, undervalued? Like, what are we kind of seeing the value at in the market in different areas? So in US large cap, S&P 500, this is kind of where I see like we are kind of running hot here and we have been for a while. 30 current PE and historical average is only 16, so we're almost double there. You can see for US mid and small cap, about 19 and 17. Historically, we're at 16 and 15, so it's pretty close to that historical average. International large slash mid and international small, kind of the same story as the US mid and small, 18 to 15 and 18 to 16. So like what this graph tells me, or if you want to look at this chart right here, is just that in the large cap specifically for the US stock market, we are running hot and we have been for quite some time. And so it just begs the question, are we overvalued? Will that bubble pop? Will it not? Will we keep going and earnings catch up? It's just worth looking at the data and understanding it so that you can make better decisions off of that. Bottom line, if you're a long-term investor, right, this is not changing you putting money in or out of the stock market. For me, it's just changing, hey, am I going to look at some more small and mid-cap companies, maybe increase my international exposure just to see if I want to maybe take some risk off the table with the US large cap side of things. Not timing the market, but just seeing where I want to put different value and what I feel like as an investor I want to do. Hopefully that's helpful to look at some data like this. Chris Lee, Everyday Finance. I will always be buying, and I will see you guys in the next one.